Ganda ng facade, no? Very cool sa mata yung yung combination ng dalawang colors. Parang coffee. Alam mo yun, yung blend niya. But anyway, welcome to Get Featured. And our featured project for today is Shore Residences. It's located at the Lifestyle District of Mall of Asia, at the corners of Seaside and Sunset Boulevard. So when buying a property, we have to consider the location. Maganda na location, Mall of Asia. But you have to consider also, ano bang purpose nito? Is it for personal use, family use, or for investment? So pasok tayo sa loob para malaman natin kung ano doon. But gusto ko malaman ano bang tingin nyo. Comment down below if you think it's for family use, personal use, or for investment. Tara! So we are here at the ground level of Shore Residences. As you can see, this is the commercial strip, no? So as you can see, meron tayong salon, meron din barbershop doon, we have Alpha Mart, and even BDO nandito na, no? So lahat ng kailangan mo, bababa ka lang dyan na. Of course, meron din mga restaurants doon, no? But if you want to go to Mall of Asia, it's only walking distance. Less than a kilometer, kayang-kaya. Ito yung labas, pasok tayo sa loob. Morning, good morning. Wow! Kita mo naman, ha? Meron ba tayong doorman sa Shore Residences, no? And of course, you can't deny the beautiful lobby of Shore Residences, no? Look at the interiors, look at the design, and there's a lot of living spaces, no? This is going to be your living area, your reception area. Dito maghintay yung mga friends and family mo pag bini-welcome mo sila dito. Tara, punta tayo dito. I'd like to highlight also the 24-hour security with K9, and then this development is managed by Green Mist Property Management. So they take care of the upkeep of the property, and then they work very hard to meet the demands of the residents. Plus, meron din tayong SMDC Leasing will take care of your leasing needs. Galing, kompleto na lahat. If you're living within the Mall of Asia complex, nandyan ang Ecom centers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are corporate offices and maraming companies based abroad and locally, doon ang headquarters. If you're an investor, yun yung target market mo kaagad. Other than that, we have the Entertainment City. Nandyan ang Okada, nandyan ang Solaire, and City of Dreams. No? If you feel lucky, punta ka lang doon. Nandyan din ang SMX. It's a convention center, so maraming mga events na nag-hold doon. Plus, SM Arena. So, sporting events and concerts doon hino-hold. Shore Residences is also very near sa NAIA X. That connects you to the airports. And NAIA X is also connected to the Skyway that can bring you down south all the way to Batangas, or connected din ng Skyway to the north. So, ang next natin pupuntahan is the resort type amenities. Yun yung highlight, pinaka-highlight itong Shore Residences. Tara, punta natin. Okay, we are here at the gym of Shore Residences. So, complete dito, no? You have treadmills. And then imagine, no? Kung nagte-treadmill ka dito, you have a view of the amenity floor. Very refreshing. It will give you more energy. So, keep your mind off stress and very relaxing, no? Mapapameditate ka talaga. And as you can see here, meron stationary bikes, you have machines, you have free weights, no? Meron din pang rowing. So this gym could rival yung mga known gyms in Metro Manila, no? So if you are a resident here, or you are leasing here, or you're living here, you have the benefit of using this gym. So kung health buff ka, perfect to sa'yo. Okay, we are now here on the amenity floor of Shore Residences. There's two sides of the amenity area. Let's start with this side muna. So as you can see, Green Mist is taking care of everything. Continuous ang cleaning dito, no? Kakatapos ng lunch, so tuloy-tuloy lang silang maglinis, bringing out the lounge chairs, no? Pero as you can see here, para kang nasa resort, no? Parang resort type living talaga. So you have a big pool area na merong island and slide pa sa gitna. So let's go to the other side. So dito naman, you have the playground for the kids. And as you can see, meron din tayong mga units on the amenity floor. So later, on that side, kung saan merong swimming pool, merong access yung mga units straight to the swimming pool. Sino may ganong development, di ba? Tingnan natin. Itong panalo. Tingnan nyo. If you buy a unit on the amenity floor, meron kang access straight to your swimming pool. So pagising mo sa umaga or gusto mo magkaroon ng afternoon dip in the pool, labas ka lang sa unit mo, straight to the swimming pool. Who has that? Only Shore Residences, di ba? Ito, open space. Imagine your kids or your loved ones. Dito kayo magkakwentuhan. This is your garden. Diba? This is your garden. Dito ka mag-play ng soccer, maghahabulan, maglaro ng tag, diba? And then meron ding clubhouse on that side. Now, let's go to the other side. So this is just one side of the amenity, no? Amenity floor. Sa kabilang side, meron pang isa. Let's check it out. So here, meron pa tayong meron tayong sofas, no? Pag afternoon or mornings, read a book. Perfect. So here, yung swimming pool na para siyang beach, no? Gradual yung paglalim niya. But pwede pang bata, no? Pero parang it mimics the sand of the sea. Dito sa side na to, parang more of mga sport activities, no? I think this is a volleyball court. Dito, there's a basketball court, a half court, a clubhouse in the middle, and a soccer field. No? Again, more swimming pools. So there, para kang nasa resort, no? Pero you're in the middle of the city. No? So perfect for a staycation. Rather than going down south or going up north, why not consider a weekend here in Shore Residences? So next, I was lucky enough to find another unit that I can show you, but this one is for staycations also, no? So, tingnan natin. Hi! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa unit ng aking good friend, si John. This is a 26 square meter unit. Dito, this is the toilet and bath. So, upgraded din siya. Yung tiles in-upgrade, even the countertop and the sink, no? And then, behind this, the banyo is...
Okay, thank you so much. We'll be starting in 2 minutes, okay? In 2 minutes. Thank you.
The kitchen. Yung overhead countertops, yung sink, the counter, and then the cabinet sa baba. And then dito na rin ang dining, no? So, John, ilang tao ang pwede dito?
Maximum of 4 ang allowed guests in Shore Residences.
Yun. So, pag magsa-staycation, comfortably 2 to 4, no? Para ma-enjoy nyo talaga yung space. So, dito na ang dining area, no? And then, ito, upgraded na lang. Ganda ng pagkaka-interior design. Tapos, yung big screen TV, you have a table here. And then, this is 2 single beds, ano? Pwede, syempre, kung couple naman kayo, pwedeng i-combine, ano? And then, itong ganda, yung accent wall, no? So, yung parang wooden slots with mirrors, no? And then, you have a sofa there. And then, yung crown jewel ng unit is yung view rin of the amenity area. Tingnan natin dyan. So, John, palagi ka ba nandito? O pag binivisit, chinecheck mo lang yung unit?
Yes, so, paminsan-minsan, diadalo ko just to check out the unit.
Diba? Priceless yung view. For me, this is the money shot, no? Yung open space, yung lush greenery, yung mix ng colors ng blue and green, no? So, panalo talaga for a staycation. Ganda ng unit mo dyan. If you don't mind though, magkano kita sa rental business?
Okay, roughly, kapag mga regular seasons, for example, ngayon ay June, nag-average kami ng mga nasa around 60,000 pesos, mga ganyan. Pero yung mga peak seasons namin, like December, mga ganyan, and most especially yung summer, maabot kami ng 100,000 pesos. Imagine, 3,500 per night kasi.
Correct.
So kapag napuno namin yung araw talaga, medyo malaki talaga yung income.
Wow. So, wala kang ginagawa nun?
Yes, so
di ba? Yan yung tatawag ng passive income. No, sino bang ayaw ng passive income? No, talagang naghihintay na ng rental income niya and then mag-i-invest pa siya ng panibagong properties. So, galing. Kailan mo to binili?
Actually, nakuha namin tong unit na to way back 2015.
2015, okay. Magkano mo nakuha, if you don't mind?
That time, itong price ito, nasa around 4 million pesos pa lang.
4 million. And ngayon, ang price niya ngayon?
Kumuha ako ng isang property ulit within the area just last year. It's around 6.7 million pesos.
Oh, so, wow. Okay.
From 2015 na 4 million, ngayon 6.7 na. Imagine, ilang taon lang yun.
Correct. So, if you're an investor or baguhan pa lang, no, rather than putting your money in the bank, which earns less than 1% per year.
Okay, Ma'am Ems.